everybody, and welcome. Today's video we are going to be unboxing our November Glossy box. I have been loving unboxing the Glossy box. So before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we chat, and we empower each other and keep it kind and have a good old time. So anyways, hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. I upload all the time over here. I also have a second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, where I upload Mondays and Tuesdays at 9 p.m. Eastern time. And like I said, over here I'm uploading all the time. Don't forget to check me out over on Instagram. I'm trying to get that 10K swipey uppy, and I am trying just as hard as Haley is to get her channel monetized. She graduates this month from college and the student loans are no joke. So she is working really hard over on her channel to get it monetized. So I'll pop a little video, or not a video, a little screenshot of her channel over here. Make sure to go check her out, show her some love, and let's rally behind her and get her monetized. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and jump into the November 2020 Glossy box. So a little information about the Glossy box. This is a monthly subscription. They were kind enough to send this over to me to unbox and review for you guys. This video is not sponsored or anything like that, but I do have a coupon code, non-affiliate code, where it will save you some money, and I believe your first box will be like $16 if you do sign up using my code and link down below. So definitely make sure to check my description box as far as that goes to save some money. Also, I did do an unboxing of the Glossy box advent calendar of heavenly amazing goodness. If you guys are interested in checking out the Glossy box advent calendar, I also have a coupon code for that, and I will leave the video link down below for you guys if you guys are interested in the advent calendar. Okay, so like I said, this is a monthly subscription. I believe it's like $21 a month, and you do get some awesome goodies in here. As always, you do get a re-giftable type of box. That is something that I absolutely love. With Christmas coming up, this is always great to keep the boxes, have your kids decorate them for the grandparents, for the hubs, for the mom, dad, whatever. When you open it up, it's always boxed nice and beautifully on the inside. And we do get a little catalog in here. It does tell you a little information about everything that is in the box, retail value, little information regarding the items. I saw 2 of the items and I'm really excited about it. So it's always, like I said, put together really nicely. You do have a ribbon on every single box, so it's pretty much like a gift to yourself every single month. So when we open it up, the first item I see is by LA Splash, and I actually think it was in our Glossy box advent calendar that we saw the LA Splash brushes. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty this is. This is like the perfect everyday type of palette. I think that so many people will absolutely love this palette. And again, like I said, your first box will be like $16, and after that, $21. So let's find out how much this eyeshadow palette retails for. This eyeshadow palette does have a retail value of $32. So like I said, your first box, $16, you've already made your money back. Even if you are a regular subscriber and you're on your 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th month box, this just paid for it. So I think that's pretty awesome. I'm trying to decide, I'm like, oh, do I swatch it? But I have a lot of these colors and I feel like I should just give back to you guys type of dealio. So are you following me yet on my Instagram? Because I have been doing giveaways over there, and I do plan on putting another one up very soon. So just a little information about LA Splash. The eyeshadow palette is cruelty free and it is made in the PRC, and like I said, it does have a retail value of $32. It does say, sorry guys, I ran out of space on my card. So let me tell you guys a little information about this eyeshadow palette, again from LA Splash. I love the fact that, like I said, these colors are just perfect for every day. It says, cast a spell with every look you create using this universally flattering eyeshadow palette, perfect for every day or night, containing 8 rich pigmented shades to make you feel bold and beautiful. You'll be ready for all the holiday festivities coming your way. Tip: use the matte shades for everyday natural look and add some shimmer in the center of your lid for that extra pop. So I think that's pretty. And always remember, you can use these shimmery shades as like highlighters as well. You guys know I love to multitask my products. So I've even seen people take like these bone shades and to brighten up underneath the eye, you could do that. So I love versatility. I think this is a great, really pretty palette. Okay, so moving right along, the next item I see in here, this is the other item I saw that I was really excited about besides this eyeshadow palette, and this is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Patches. I love these. I did a PR unboxing, which it may not be up yet, but they had sent me some of these eye patches and I absolutely love them. I love to put them in my skincare fridge and just totally relax in the bathtub, put a mask on, put my eye patches on, and they completely depuff. They give you that extra hydration and they're just wonderful. There's another, oh wait, I forgot to tell you a little information about this, my bad. See, I get too excited when it comes to these subscription boxes and I just rip through everything. So this pack is $4.16 for the single pack. You can get 6 pairs of them for $25, and it says experience 3 innovative layers of luxury with these award-winning eye masks packed with hyaluronic acid and aloe leaf extract to hydrate, depuff, and more. Your under eyes will look brighter than ever. So like I said, I love the Wonder Beauty eye patches. Definitely highly recommend them. Next is the Mighty Patch Invisible Thin. Great for the daytime, protects for faster healing. Is this the zip patches? It is. I love these. I absolutely love these. If you guys follow me, well, not follow me, but if you guys watched my Amazon favorites video, I was talking about pimple patches. These are the Mighty Patches and they do have a retail value of $4. The full size has 39 patches and they have a retail value of $17.99. And the nice thing about these, like I said, is they're a pimple patch. You just put them right on the pimple and it literally sucks and draws the gunk out of the zit. And I swear by these. I love them. It also came with this little card that says Rescue Balm Post Blemish Recovery. So it says push your comeback into hyperspeed. Post blemish skin takes forever to recover. Zits can leave you with bumps, spots, texture, and scarring that lasts for weeks. This Rescue Balm invisibly melts into skin, leaving it look smoother, bouncier, and visibly renewed. Formulated with a bunch of amazing things such as vitamin E, beta-glucan, and other things that I can't enunciate. So you get a nice sample, and I mean, even though it's like in a little squeezy tube, or not squeezy tube, packet, if I could learn to use words, there's a lot of product in here, and I would just suggest putting the rest in like a little Ziploc container, Ziploc bag, and that way you can use it repeatedly. Moving right along, what do I see in here? We got 2 more items in here. The next one I see is by Douce, I think is how you say it, Douce Ultra Precision Eyeliner. This is in black, and oh, that is like dark. Now these kind of liners, I don't mind. I like these. I use them every day. I have like a dark liner on my tight line, and then I put like a lighter shade typically on my waterline. But I love this. You can smudge it out if you want, but it's the liquid liners that drive me bonkers. Like, I don't like those. I'm not down for them, but these kind, I don't mind getting, especially when they're nice and creamy and soft. So this has a retail value of $22. To waterproof pencil eyeliner, has a velvety smooth formula that glides on without pulling or tugging, and I would have to agree with that. So really happy to see that. And then the next item I see is by Spectrum Collections. It's the limited edition B07 brush with a retail value of $8.99. Let's just see. Ooh, this is like a weighted, heavy kind of brush. I like that because it feels like it's not going to be too big and floofy to where it's going to be too much for my slightly hooded eyes, and it's going to get right in there and be able to blend everything out. So definitely happy with that. I love eye brushes. I love brushes in general, and I have a ridiculous amount that just sits up here every day. I have some in backup. Like, this is literally how I grew my brush collection, because of subscription boxes. So that does appear to be everything in this month's Glossy box. Like I said, this box is $21, but your first box you can get for $16 with my code down below. Like I said, it's not an affiliate code. This isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. It's just a way that you can save money if you are interested in checking out Glossy box. You don't have to be locked into any type of subscription. You can cancel at any time. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. I think that as far as Glossy box goes, this is a really good box for the price. I know one of you guys said hands down Glossy box has been your favorite subscription for a very long time, and I am definitely very pleased with it. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, if you're interested in signing up, check my description box out down below, as well as if you want to see what all is in the Glossy box advent calendar for 2020. I will try and remember, editing Rhonda, remember to link that video down below. I literally went through all 25 days of that calendar. It was pretty awesome. I was pretty surprised. And on top of that, there is, I think, like a $10 off coupon if you do want that advent calendar. So anyways guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe and stick around. It's free. It's a way you can tell YouTube you actually enjoy watching my content. Like I said, have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I'd love to have you over there as well. And like I said, check my daughter Hailey's channel out. She does a lot of different creative makeup looks, as well as she has started doing unboxings on her channel. And we will be back with more videos of unboxings together, as well as, you know, me sitting here doing it all by myself. And don't forget to check me out over on Instagram, because like I said, I will have some giveaways going up over there pretty soon. So anyways guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye guys. By the way, if you like my top, I'll link that below for you as well. It's from Torrid. It's super cozy, and it comes with matching pants, but I changed it up today. I just have black leggings. Okay, I'm rambling. Bye guys.